4 days with only colored chalks, a fine arts teacher in Tuy Hoa Ward, Đắk Lắk province, has turned her classroom chalkboard into a spectacular artwork of 8 galloping horses, the zodiac symbol of the Year of the Horse 2026. The 8 horses are believed to symbolize success and prosperity for the new year. Fine arts teacher Vũ Mặt Khuê Trâm has been drawing attention on social media with her chalkboard artworks since 2023. But this year she's taking it to a whole new level. Take a look.
Instead of paint, Vũ Mặt Khuê Trâm used colored chalk to carefully trace lines and layers, creating a powerful image full of movement and spring spirit. The artwork has impressed both students and teachers.
I was really surprised. The finished painting looks so lively.
I see this painting as a message of unity, mutual support, and moving forward together to overcome difficulties and achieve success.
This painting carries the spirit of spring, and my hope that our school will achieve greater success this year than previous years.
This year, the painting of galloping horses is not only a traditional wish for success, but also a vivid reflection of a teacher's love for her profession, her creativity, and her deep dedication to her students and her beloved school.